my gorgeous, this is once again Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique is the exclusive of Shivani's. Last 3 weeks we were showing all budgeted ranges of cotton dress materials and then cotton ready-mades, cotton saris and everything. And this episode is especially for people who are looking only for exclusive. Right now what I'm wearing, it's a pure handloom tesser silk sari with pure bandhani all over, and this is a Madhubani painting. Whoever is interested in painting will definitely know the importance of the sari, and it has a beautiful blouse attached to it. This is also on Madhubani painting. This is such a wonderful artistic sari where you guys have to have these kind of saris in your wardrobes. The second beautiful color is a nice beautiful pink. See this? It's original soft tesser silk sari, handloom sari with bandhani all over, and this is the Madhubani painting. So this is the painting, and it has a beautiful blouse on this, and this also has a beautiful painting. This is for the sleeves, and this is for the back cushion. And once again you can see this is full tesser silk sari, handloom tesser silk sari with a beautiful bandhani all over. It's a simple kind of sari without any artistic work, but still full hand work. These are all. So this has a blouse on it, and then comes this sari. See, this is a beautiful pen kalamkari sari where, see, the pallu portion is such an amazing thing. This is a sari, and this is the pallu part. See this, such a beautiful pallu, and with a beautiful kalamkari blouse all over kalamkaris. Then comes this. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, else click the above link which we have mentioned above the video, which will straight away leads you to that page. And see, these are all such an amazing, subtle and very sober and what to say, posh colors, I can say. See how nice the bluish grey it is. See, the kalamkari is on the pallu, and see, it's so nice and artistic, and it has a beautiful blouse on this. So we have made a beautiful photo shoot of these, showing how the sari looks and blouses and everything. And then comes the sari. It's a nice bottle green color. How it looks on me, it's so nice. The colors are really good. Different colors. Of course we have only 7 colors, but still we mix and match with lots and lots of concept, with lots and lots of shades. This is a different bottle green. There are bottle greens of different shades also. And see, this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part. And see, once again, purple color. It's so amazing with a multicolored border on it. These are all pure tesser silk, and the flow and feel is so amazing. It's such a slim fit sari also, and this comes with a beautiful blouse on it. See the border, it's so amazing. You can see the multicolored border. So this is the border on it, and this is the blouse where it has a border on it. And then comes this. It's a tesser silk sari once again with all over kalamkari, block printed. Such an amazing sari. See, the color is so amazing, and the blouse comes with this. And then comes this. It could be said as engineered kalamkari because the shades are so amazing. See how the pattern comes. It's so nice. It is multicolored pen kalamkaris. These are all. I've mentioned all the descriptions and details. You can log on to our website to see the product. Sit back, relax, and enjoy my show right now. And this is the blouse part. See, this portion you can make it use for the sleeves, and this thing you can cut it here and attach it. else you can make this as a sleeves, and then for this you can make it as a front portion or back portion. However, it depends upon your creativeness. And then comes this. This is kalamkari block print. So I am showing different sarees in different ranges. However, it is according to your budget. You can go for it. These are all really exclusive ones which I am showing. So this comes this way. It's very nice. The concept is too good. The stripes is very new, and this comes with a beautiful blouse. And then you see this. This is once again kalamkari. See, the kalamkari concept keep changing, and this time the concept is really amazing. So this is the thing. I'm showing it ulta once again. So this is the thing. The border is there, and it comes this way. Nice saree it is. The feel is so amazing. It's a slim fit saree, and then it comes with a beautiful blouse once again. Then once again my creatives comes in a next portion is this. It's a patchwork, and it's a tussar silk. Tussar silks are so amazing that it flows very nice and light and flowy. Whoever knows the importance of tussar silk, I need not explain this much. So this is the saree, and you can see the patchwork all over the pallu, and this is the borders on both the sides. One border is small and one border is little big, where I have given a beautiful gicha blouse for this. Such an amazing saree. Alright, and then comes this. These are all really posh beautiful colors. See this patchwork all over, and this is the pallu part, and here comes the blouse part. So next is, these are all see, I have got colors in this. 1, 2, 3, and then yeah, all the 3 colors, and it comes with a, these are all pure handloom silk cotton sarees, where we have made a beautiful contrast matching blouse for this with embroideries. And this is the saree. You can see the saree, and this comes with the jute pallu, where I have got nice colors in this. You can see beautiful colors. See this orange, and then with this red, maroonish red with this peacock blue color. So amazing sarees these are all. Then the next comes is a beautiful, once again, tussar silk saree, where we have given a nice border. It's a very nice decency with a ikat silk blouse. See, I'll open this and show. The saree is so amazing. The flow is amazing. What are all the best out of the best in Shivani's boutique? Only we are showing and we are uploading it in our website, because for online customers, so that they can make an easy purchase and a happy purchase too. So this comes with the blouse, and then comes the saree. These are all handloom sarees with a beautiful embroideries all over. You can find nice embroideries all over, and this is the pallu part. See, where I have given a beautiful contrast matching. These are all really an exclusive sarees. Whoever want to have a really exclusive one, want to what to say, good saree collections, can go for these sarees. And then comes this, once again, the tussar shibori printed block prints. All are hand block prints, handmade. That's what the range is, like that way. And this is the, see, this is the pallu part. So amazing, and we have given an embroidery blouse for this, and this comes the body. It's very nice and colorful, artistic sarees. I used to call these as an artistic sarees, because these are all handcrafted saree. See this, I have given a blouse for this, and this is one more, a beautiful green color, bottle green color saree. Does it look on me? Greens are always pretty. All colors are too good. And you can see this sari. It's Tesser by Gicha sari, where we have given a beautiful contrast matching blouse for this. And then comes this tissue sari. It's a lightweight tissue sari with all over bandhani. It's not bandhani, it's all over kalamkari. You can see a mild kalamkari printed all over, and where we have given a patchwork blouse for this. And then comes these two saris. It's an organza sari where it has two different colors of blouses. I'll go with this. Open and show. Both the saris are equally good, and this is the pallu part for this. You can see a nice embroideries on it, and then we have given a beautiful embroidery blouse also. So these are the two colors, and then comes my favorite half white. See this. This also has all over work on it, where it has the same blouse, where you can also go for a contrast matching gold or blood red over golden designs all over. And this is my last sari. It's a black sari with kota, silk kota sari with beautiful embroideries all over. Alright, we are done with today's episode. Hope you loved seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which we have mentioned. It will straight away land to that page. We'll meet you with lots more and more of colors and collections. Until then, it's bye bye. Stay safe.